Hello everyone. The online business plan anyone can use to make their first million is what I am discussing with you today. My name is Olugbenga Adetitun and I'm the brain behind this YouTube channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell and like this video and share the link of this video. Hello and welcome again to my channel. In today's video, as I've said, we are going to discuss the online business anyone can use to make their first million. If you are someone who is interested in starting an online business or you are already an entrepreneur, this video is for you. Number one way is that you need to identify your niche. The first thing is that you need to identify your niche. That means, what do you want to be doing? What service, what goods, in what area are you interested in looking at and working on? So this is the first thing. The first step in creating an online business plan is to identify your niche. This is the area in which you will specialize and build your business. To find your niche, think about your passions, think about your interests, think about your skills. Once you've identified your niche, you can begin to research the market and find out if there is a demand for your products or services. Number two is that you need to define your target, the target market. The second step in creating an online business plan is to define your target market. This is the group of people who are most likely to buy your products or services. To define your target market, think about the demographics of your ideal customer, including their age, their gender, their location, and also what interests them. Number three thing is that you have to create a marketing plan. The third step in creating an online business plan is to create a marketing plan. This is how you promote your business and reach your target market. Your marketing plan should include strategies for social media, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertisement. Number four step is to develop a product or service. This is the first step in your business plan. This is what you will sell to your target market. To develop a product or service, think about the needs and wants of your target market and create something that will solve their problems or fulfill their desires. Number five is that you need to build a website. The fifth step in creating an online business plan is to build a website. This is where you will showcase your products or services and provide information to your target market. Your website should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and optimized for search engines. The next thing is that apart from a website or a blog, you can also start a YouTube channel like this one. And the same thing you are doing on your website or your blog is the same thing you'll be doing on your YouTube. The reason is because if you just go and start something on somebody else's YouTube channel or somebody else's blog or somebody else's website, you push something there. The moment that person is no longer interested in you, it can delete whatever you have put there, or it can delete your comment or whatever. But when you are the owner and you give value, it cannot be deleted, it remains there. The next step is to launch your business. The sixth and final step in creating an online business plan is to launch your business. This is when you will start selling your products or services to your target market. It's important to have a business plan in place that includes promotional strategies, pricing strategies, and a timeline for achieving your goals. In conclusion, so there you have it, the online business plan anyone can use to make their first million. Remember that building a successful online business takes time, it takes effort, it takes dedication. But with a solid business plan in place, you can achieve your goals and make your dreams a reality. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. So the video popping up right now is the next one. Go ahead and watch it. Bye for now.